Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you easily how to gather many scrap polymers in 7 days to die. So to begin, first of all, go to a city or a village and find these tires inside of these trash sections and just pick out your mining tool and mine the tires, and as you can see you'll get a lot of scrap polymers from it. Also there's a skill in the skills menu, go to strength, and the junk miner skill is going to give you a bigger yield for the plastic that you gather. So make sure you got it upgraded, and then just go ahead around and mine these tires. And another common thing where you can find these scrap polymers is the water cooler. This is almost 100% chance that you'll find it here. Not in the amount that you would by mining tires, but it's still some amount. You can also disassemble cars to get some scrap polymers like this using a wrench, and this is pretty much all the basic ways to gather scrap polymers. So make sure like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.